I had installed a Fumoto valve onto my 2017 Subaru Legacy a year and a half ago to speed up my oil changes and hopefully do oil changes without having to use a wrench. So this is my review of it after about 5 or 6 oil changes, how it's all going.
Okay, let's go under the car. Still looks pretty clean. Caps on there, very little corrosion even though it's been through Chicago winters. Alright, let's see what happens if we could release it. Yeah. Okay, so first take off this clip. This clip right here secures it. And there's a little lever. And hopefully I don't get my hand all dirty from doing this, but there it is. A little oil on the hand. So where is that lever? Here it is. Close it, and then the drip just ends. And then we find the clip and we clip the lever back on. Oh, I got it. Move the oil pan now so we can see. So here we are. Just clip that. Wait, which way does it go? This way. Okay. Clip that clip back on, and now we locked it back into place. This lever is pushed back in. Clean this off a little bit. There's a little bit of oil on here every time. It's not that much. All right, and good to go again. We go fill it up back top. All right, final check that there's no oil underneath. Looks good.